So, along with this video is a cheat sheet again. So, the cheat sheet contains the tools and terms you need to know to be considered as an expert. Guys, hindi ako nag-e-encourage ng imposter syndrome, hindi ako nag-e-encourage ng fake it till you make it scheme. Ang gusto ko lang is, the aim for this is to increase your chance of getting clients. Kasi isipin nyo, what if, isipin lang natin right now, na you enrolled into my class, but hindi ko alam kung ano ang social media, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tools na ginagamit, 'di ba? So you would say, why would I trust Catch? Why would I trust Catch to teach me kung hindi naman siya marunong? Hindi niya nga alam kung ano yung scheduling tools, hindi niya nga alam kung ano ang copy, hindi niya nga alam kung ano or paano gamitin ang Instagram, 'di ba? So knowing these terms will help you or will help give the client an idea na alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo, that you are familiar with the industry. So, yun yung goal natin. Maganda kasi yung, alam mo yung terms. Kasi for example, may mention si client na the engagement rate, tapos sasabihin nyo, sorry, what is the engagement rate? So, parang turn off na agad yun. So, this will help you not scare away the clients. And it will also help you position as someone who really knows the industry. So, take some time to familiarize these tools and terms. Hindi naman siya kailangan i-memorize. Familiarize mo lang. And most of the tools here are free. May free trial sila. You can try that one and see kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin, kung ano yung gusto mong mag-work or gusto nyong i-recommend sa client. Kasi minsan kasi yung clients, tinetest nila tayo, ano yung project management tool na gusto mong gamitin, or do you prefer, what scheduling tool do you prefer? So, paano pag Hootsuite lang yung alam mo, 'di ba? So, ano yung sasabihin ko, 'di ba? So, that's one thing that I want you to have is learning the tools and terms.